Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, power tailgate, M Sport package, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.